On second thought, fuck short videos. Those are no fun. It's kind of unfair when all of my videos are at least 6 minutes long. I feel like if I followed me, or if I followed someone whose videos were all super long and they posted a short one, I'd feel a little bit ripped off. So this can be, I really don't like editing. Like, I can do it, but I don't feel like it. So maybe I'll just upload these like one after the other, or I'll like not take nearly as long as I usually take in between. Or something. Treat y'all. Or just give you at least the amount of content I usually do. I did put this back in the vial and then take it back out. But doesn't matter. It's going back in my nose. Ugh, gosh. Aria, please don't, Ugh. Oh my god. Okay, the other side before I can't. Oh my god. I didn't feel like that would happen. Oh god. Oh. Sorry, I'm like trying to muffle a little bit, so just because it's so loud. Oh. Wow. Wow, that was really especially loud. So, I've never met my downstairs neighbors. I feel like the most they know is that sometimes I just like randomly sneeze quite a lot in a row. I've never even seen them. I don't know what they look like. Boy. Jesus. Wow. Okay. Whew. Wow. Oh yeah. Wow. Okay. Okay. I think I'm done. Goodbye for real this time.